Hello, welcome to the allotment on a rather mild January the 7th. It's quite late in the afternoon. The sun is quite low there in my face. It's time to clear up all the bits and pieces now. What's left, which isn't that much. This cauliflower. There's still some curly kale. Broccoli still flowering nicely. This cabbage, which I guess can stay for another week or so, a couple of weeks. There's a few kind of arrested development broccolis. And there's these two tiny cabbages which never grew. I think I need to pick one of these. Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Need to pick one of those. Maybe we'll pick the small one, then we'll leave the big one a little bit later. As I mentioned before, we have to leave the site by the end of January. So that gives me 3 weekends to tidy everything up. And so we have to leave the site completely cleared. So people are starting to clear away, look. I'm not quite sure what he's doing here. He's like digging out. He's digging out a couple of feet down. Sometimes people just bury all the leaves. I'm not sure if that's a good thing to do. It doesn't really compost them, because it's kind of anaerobic. It's a lovely day today. In the sun, you know, it's quite warm. It's about 10 degrees. Yeah, everything's slowing down now. Well, it's pretty much stopped. Okay, let's do a bit of work.